against a new tomorrow. So I guess I'll just believe it, that tomorrow never comes.